Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear app cache from your Android phone without compromising your data. Over time, as you use your phone, the applications on your phone accumulate caches which can affect the performance, and you don't want this. So in this very tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to deal with this so that you don't encounter slow or laggy phone performance. Alright, there are two ways I like to go about this. First is to go through the application itself, then second is to go through the notification panel. So to go through the notification panel, I'm going to drag down the notification panel, then head to this gear icon, click on it, and it will land me here on the settings menu. So here I'm going to look for apps settings rather. Alright, okay, so here is my apps settings. I'm going to click to open it and it brings me here. Here are all the applications that I have running on this very device, and what I'm looking for are the applications that I use frequently on this very device, because they tend to accumulate these caches over time, which can slow down the performance of this device. So I'm going to look for the very applications that I use more frequently. Let me look just for one of them. Alright, well, let me use this very Chrome application, so let me click on it, and here on the app info page I'm going to look for storage. Alright, here is the storage, so I'm going to click on it and it brings me here. So here are about 4 options here, and down here you will see this very clear cache, and on the left side you see manage storage. For some applications, what you would see here is clear data. So for this very application, I'm going to clear the cache, but before I do that, I want to show you the cache size. Right here is the cache size, which indicates the size of cache on this very app, that is occupying space on my device. So clearing this will delete this file from my device, and free up that space. So I'm going to clear cache. Alright, okay, so looking at the cache, you'll see that it's back to 0 byte, which means the cache has been cleared and space has been freed on this very device. So that's it for this method. You can go ahead and do it for several other apps that you know that you use very frequently on your device. Okay, let me take it back and show you how I do it through the application. Alright, so come here. Okay, I know that I use this YouTube Studio a lot, so I'm going to go through this very app. So what I'm doing here is to press down on the app, then go to this little icon here, click on it, and it will land me here on the app info page. This is very fast. This is the shortcut. So I'm going to locate storage again, then click on it, and it will bring me here. Here is the cache size for this very application I'm going to clear, and it's been deleted. So this way I'm able to delete app caches, all of these app caches. So I'm going to do the same for this vidIQ. Go to this little icon here, then go to storage, click on it. So this is not much. I don't use this app frequently, so that's why it doesn't have much cache. Alright, so let me look for another app that I know that I use frequently. Okay, I know that I use this SofaScore app frequently. I visit it frequently. Okay, let me click, press down on the app, then go to this icon, then it brings you here, then go to storage, then wow, okay, this is the cache size for this very app, 54 point, so, and it's cleared. Alright, so this is how you clear app caches. This way I'm able to free up space on my phone after doing this for several apps that I know I visit frequently on my Android device. So if this video was helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and also do well to check out other of my videos. So that's it for this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.